Today's episode is for the person who has reached a certain age and quietly thinks, I should have started earlier. I wasted my youngest years. It's too late for me to build generational wealth. I cannot catch up now. If that is you, this conversation is especially for you. Let me say this clearly. It is not too late. Remember, it is not too late. You may not be starting early, but you can start now. And starting now is still powerful. Many people in their 40s, 50s, or even 60s realize they did not prepare intentionally for retirement, investments, asset building, estate planning, long term savings. Perhaps in your youth, you were focused on survival. You were raising children. You did not have financial guidance. You were simply doing your best. Do not allow regret to freeze you. Regret is only useful if it moves you forward. Generational wealth is not a lottery win. It is not sudden. It is not dramatic. It is built through small decisions, consistent discipline, repeated actions, long term thinking. Even if you have 10, 15, or 20 years before retirement, those years matter. 10 years of steady saving is powerful. 15 years of consistent investing is powerful. 20 years of disciplined planning is transformational. Wealth compounds with time, but it is also compound with consistency. You do not need perfection. You need a starting point. Ask yourself, what debt can I reduce this year? What small amount can I save monthly? What asset can I begin building? What financial habit can I improve immediately? Start with a written budget. And yes, if you don't want to write down that budget and you would like to use a spreadsheet, but you don't have one or you're not sure how to create one, you can go ahead onto my website, shop.naomisnumbers.co, and purchase your budget sheet today. It's only $7, so you can go onto the website. The link is down in the description and also in my bio. You can go on the link and get your budget sheet today to help you. For person which love writing, go ahead and write it down in that notebook, that exercise book, whatever you feel comfortable with using. So, apart from writing a budget, an emergency fund, even if small, a retirement contribution, proper insurance coverage, a basic will. These are foundational steps. I'll go through these steps again. So we want to start with a written budget, an emergency fund, even if small, a retirement contribution, proper insurance coverage, a basic will. You do not build a house by skipping the foundation. So start with the basic foundation. Let us be practical. If you save a modest amount monthly and increase it gradually, that builds momentum. If you reduce unnecessary spending by even a small percentage, that builds margin. If you invest consistently rather than spontaneously or when you feel like, that builds growth. Small steps done consistently are stronger than large steps done occasionally. Generational wealth is slow, but it is strong. Even if you feel you are starting late, what you build now still benefits your children, your grandchildren, your family. Prepare, perhaps you will not leave millions because I mean, if you're starting late, but you can leave a paid off asset, a structured investment, a debt free estate, financial wisdom, clear documentation. It is still generational wealth. It does not have to be massive to be meaningful. Do not compare your timeline to someone who started at age 25. Your responsibility is not comparison, it is consistency. Commit to reviewing your financials monthly, increasing savings annually, reducing debt strategically, protecting your assets properly. This is not about catching up overnight. No, it is about moving forward steadily. If you are listening today and thinking, I wish I had started earlier, or you've listened to the previous generational wealth videos and think, oh boy, I should have started earlier, forgive yourself. You know now, and knowledge plus action create change. Start where you are. Use what you have. Be consistent. Be disciplined. Be patient. Generational wealth is not grown overnight. It is grown through small, steady, intentional steps. And today is a powerful day to begin. Thank you for listening. If you feel this message today, this episode today is important to you, click on the like button. If you feel you need to share it with your friends, go ahead and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscription button so that as soon as new episodes come out, new videos come out, you'll be the first to view and be able to share it with your friends, your family, and your loved ones. Thank you for viewing. Have a blessed day.